dials to select temperatures for both the driver and passenger sides of your car. If you press the dual button, you can control both sides at once. Press the dual button again to control the driver's and passenger sides individually. The blower speed and air intake can also be adjusted. Change the mode to select where you'd like the air to be blown. Heated front and rear windows save time on frosty mornings. Simply press down to turn them on and press again to turn off. The front seats can be heated to keep you nice and cosy on colder days. Select low or high for both the driver's and passenger seats. Or turn off by moving the switch back to the level position.